So back to the kitchen, the third part of my video. Now we will heat up the fry pan and we will start to fry the chicken breast. We will start to make a barbecue style chicken breast, which is already marinated. So let me take out my tools. This is the pan, the fry pan. This is my tool, and of course let me show you where is my oil. La Española extra virgin oil. So what I will do is very simple. If I can open with half hand, that's one hand hold. In one hand hold I hold my phone so I can record. I put a little bit of olive oil, not too much, and I will spread it everywhere. So second thing, I will turn off the fire a little bit on 4, probably is enough on 4, number 4. So I have the chicken breast and let's start. This is marinated in Japanese BBQ sauce, so hopefully will be perfect. Number 1, number 2. The smell is amazing. And number 3, and I have 3 more pieces, so I will leave it for another round. So basically now I prepare the chicken breast. The smell is amazing. And here we have the cabbage, what I show you on the second part of my video. Yeah, so the cabbage is ready. The chicken breast is, I prepare it now, and basically here I have the fried rice with vegetables. So we will have a very beautiful and tasty food in a couple of minutes, because the chicken breast will be ready very fast. All I have to do is to turn them maybe a couple of times. Oh, sorry. Maybe a couple of times, and three, 4 minutes, both of parts, turning every minute, and will be done very quickly. A little bit of oil, olive oil, and that's it. Very simple, very fast, and very healthy. So guys, please watch the first video, the first part, the second one, and this will be the third one. And let me turn off the light. Maybe the colors are different now. Of course I have the light here, but it's not so it doesn't make too much difference. So as I said, 3-4 minutes every part, and both sides, and the chicken will be done, will be ready, and the chicken will be ready, and I will take it out and I will put it here. Let's turn it again. Nice fried barbecue style grilled chicken breast. And guys, don't forget to push the like button and I will try to show you more details. Let me zoom. Looks really beautiful, and soon is ready. And after that I will put the other three as well, and that's it. I show you again the cabbage. Very beautiful and very tasty. I promise you, if you follow me and if you follow the way how I do it, it will be perfect. And now I will put this sauce yeah. I'm sorry guys if I cannot focus all the time straight to the fry pan, but just because I'm recording with my right hand, and I try to use both of my hands. So basically, I use the sauce and I will cook it a little bit. This will cook in a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes, and I take them off. And this will be my tasty Japanese grilled barbecue sauce grilled chicken breast, marinated in barbecue and Japanese barbecue sauce, which I bought it in Japan especially for this project. And yes, I taste it, and it is very beautiful, very tasty, and the sauce, it is very tasty, and it's not spicy, it's not sweet, so you guys, everyone can eat it. As you see, it's getting caramelized, so chicken breast is almost done. And after that I will use the second part, another 3 slices, and that's it. So please follow me, push like, comment. If you need any advice, just text me and I will answer you. And have a good day, and thank you so much for your support. Don't forget, push the like please. Thank you so much.